Hey guys, welcome to the EZ Peezy Trading Academy Orientation. I'm going to let you guys take your time to read the disclaimer so that you can understand that basically this is just educational content. Anything on our website, anything on our YouTube channel, any way we communicate with you, it's for educational purposes. We are not licensed. I am not a licensed broker. I am not a licensed financial advisor. So I am just giving you this disclaimer ahead of time, and will always tell you to not risk more than you can afford to lose. But take a moment to read this disclaimer fully before we go forward. Okay, so we're going to move on. This will be recorded, so you guys can always go back and watch this video and read the disclaimer again if you need to. But right now, I want you to get your notebooks out, take notes. I want you to get somewhere quiet, make sure you're not being distracted, and make sure that you are able to pay attention. You need to make sure when it comes to trading and trading education, you want to pretend like you're going back to, not pretend like, feel like, set yourself up like you're going back to school. Okay. So therefore you want to pay attention because this can change your life. And we're trying to make it easy peasy and do as much as we can to simplify things. But you can help us by asking questions in a live Q&A sessions. You can also help other students in the community as well. So this is why we want you to have your notebooks out, taking notes and jotting down your questions. Okay. Now, again, welcome to Easy Peasy Trading, your gateway to trading mastery. Okay. So you guys are future traders, obviously, or some of you guys are already traders, but we're going to assume that you're starting from the beginning so we don't miss anything. We don't skip a beat, and we want to plug in holes for those of you guys who are missing things. Okay. This orientation, the purpose of this orientation webinar, it serves as your compass in navigating the exciting world of our trading platform, okay, and also trading in general, okay. So we are going to help trading become simple, accessible, and enjoyable to you guys, okay. So whether you're a seasoned trader seeking advanced strategies, you're going to get it here, okay, or a complete beginner eager to understand the markets, this is your go-to destination for simplified trading. So guys, right now this is being recorded and it's also pre-recorded, some parts of it, so you guys are able to ask questions along the way. Okay, so make sure you're using the chat feature within this live platform, okay, to ask your questions so that even while you're listening, you can get some of your questions answered and hopefully help others in the process. So let's talk about our mission. But before we do that, let me tell you a little bit about myself. So I got into the world of trading in 2019 when I went to I was on a YouTube scanning for something. I don't remember what it was. And I saw this young lady post an indicator giving her some signals. And it really intrigued me. And I reached out to her and I was like, look, and I've never done this before. And I told her I've never done this before, but I would like to know how to do this. Can you mentor me? I really reached out to her and said, can you be my mentor? And she was like, sure. And so we connected and she decided to mentor me. She took me into her trading group and she literally set a time for me to take over my computer. She's like logged in on my side and she came in and she set up my trading platform. And that just changed everything for me. That's why I want to bring the same type of personal touch to you guys. Okay. She just changed my life. And she was providing trading signals, but we were trading options. We really weren't trading Forex the way we are now, the way I trade now. And so it took about, I think the next year is when I got introduced to Forex trading, like the standard way of trading the markets. And I was introduced, I think it was through, I can't remember the network marketing company, but when they brought me in, as I told them in the beginning, I'm interested in the trading side more than anything. And that's where I pretty much built my foundation. There was a lot of educational content. And this was perfect because I had never been introduced to the terms, the technical analysis and all of these things that they were providing. And so it really changed my whole perspective on trading. So now I don't just trade myself, but I teach my children how to trade. I've taught my spouse how to trade, and I teach those around me how to trade. Even on my YouTube channel, I share certain tools and techniques. But what I wanted to do was create a comprehensive course and a platform where you guys can come in and connect with me and other students individually or as a group to grow your trading experience. Okay, so our mission here is to democratize the world of trading by making it accessible, understandable, and enjoyable for traders of all levels, because there's so much content out there. It can be so confusing, but I find that, and I've studied that, the most successful traders are actually using very simple concepts, right? Very simple steps, mechanical, if you can imagine. So we're going to help you do the same thing. Our job, or what we strive to do, is empower individuals with the knowledge, tools, and community support needed to navigate the complexities of financial markets and embark on a successful trading journey. Now, oftentimes you guys are going to hear me say Forex, but not just Forex. Everything you learn here can be added. You can be applied to the stock market, indices, commodities, metals, bonds and securities, even um, crypto. Okay, so because the market, we have got down to the fundamentals of the market, like what it actually does and how it actually moves and why it moves the way it does, and this is what you're going to understand. Okay, so through simplified education, insightful analysis, and a vibrant community, which we are in the process of building, so that's why that's coming soon. You guys are the beginning of this community on this platform. At least we aim to transform the daunting into the doable, ensuring that every trader feels confident and capable in their pursuit of financial mastery. Okay. Our vision is to create a global community where trading becomes an approachable and rewarding endeavor for everyone. We envision a platform that transcends traditional barriers, fostering an environment where learning is dynamic, insights are shared, and success is celebrated. By combining innovative education, cutting tools, and the strength of a supportive community, we aspire to be the catalyst that propels traders toward not just financial success, but a genuine passion for the ever evolving world of trading. So we invite you, if you haven't yet joined us, to join us as we envision a future where trading is easy peasy for all. That's what we're trying to do, make it easy for all. No person, not even a child, left behind, right? Even though they can't trade legally like in the markets for broker accounts, they can learn and they can teach their parents. There are children, literally 7-year-olds, that are trading, right? So it's doable. Okay, so what to expect in this whole scheme of things? You can expect to explore a wealth of educational content. Okay, now this content is like drip content. It's sort of released as we go, but it's evergreen, so you can always come back to it, and new people will be able to come in and also access this content. Okay, you're going to have beginner-friendly tutorials already set up. So again, after this class, we'll start releasing the first set because it can be overwhelming. So we decided to kind of like, pace you guys along the way so you won't get overwhelmed with too much information. Okay, it's going to have in-depth analysis of trading strategies. You're going to have access to that as well. Because at EZ Peezy Trading, we believe in breaking down the complexities of the financial markets, ensuring that every video leaves you informed and inspired. So let's talk about key membership features. So we're going to have live classes. These are real-time insights and interactions. Like these classes will be like tonight, like on Sunday nights, we are going to have live classes. Think of it as Sunday night live, okay? We're going to do these markup and chill sessions. We're going to be maybe listen to a little bit of music sometimes, and we are going to have live classes where we're going to go over different topics every week. You also have access to self-paced study. Okay, so that's tailored learning at your fingertips. Again, they're going to be reading assignments and different things for you guys to do homework during the week, just so you can be applying it. The practical application is important with studying, right? And then you guys get exclusive early access to new trading tools and indicators. So I have coding background, so I have been dibbling and dabbling into creating some tools to help make some of these concepts a lot more visual, because some of us are very visual, right? So they're tools that are already out there. I like to edit them, make them maybe a little bit more user-friendly or child-friendly or alert-friendly, right? Just so something can bring us to our charts. So, and I've created a tool just for the EZ Peezy Trading Academy, just for you guys, okay? That will help combine a lot of these concepts, all right? But any new tools that comes out, you guys get access to it before the rest of the world does. And depending on your membership level, you'll get access before other members as well. So you get to beta test them out, help us improve them, give us your, back feedback, and we make them better and personalize them, almost customize them to your needs, okay, before the rest of the world gets access to them. There's going to be some community building in the forum. So there'll be different forums and different topics you guys can talk about and explore deeper. Some of you guys may be more interested in gold. Some of you guys want to study oil. Some of you guys may just want to do Forex. Some of you guys want to do the US 30 or the Dow Jones, which is the US 30, or you may want to do the NASDAQ, right? So you may want to do crypto, Bitcoin only. So there'll be separate forums for you guys to do that as we grow. All right. So we need you guys to participate. Participation is key for the community aspect. Don't just sit back. I need you guys to jump in, because the more active you are, the more money you're going to make. Real talk. Okay. And then we have real world examples and case studies for practical applications. So we're going to have real world, like we're going to back test. We're going to look back in time. You're going to have real examples of trades that I've taken, that other community members have taken. And then you're going to have like these tests, like not real tests, and then you got to get it graded. But like I'll tell you guys, go look at this date and time. I want you to mark up your charts. I want you to see how you would have taken that trade, or if you would have used this particular strategy, because we're going to test out different strategies so you can figure out what works for you. And then you're going to like share it with me or with us, or, on a platform or whatever. And some of you guys will get rewarded for it just for participation. There's some rewards that are going to be coming up for you guys. Okay. And then you guys also have trade alerts. Yes, you'll be getting alerts. So this is why we're going to focus on in the beginning, getting you guys set up to take these alerts, getting you set up to demo these alerts so you can get comfortable entering into these trades. And you can see it's really not as complicated as people make it. So you can trade and earn as you learn. And that is how I started. And that's how I want to teach you guys to do the same thing. Okay. You also will get trade setups, which are different from alerts. They're similar to alerts, but these setups will come like over the weekend or when the markets close at night. And the alerts will be like most of the time when it's active, where you can actually like prepare to go ahead and take it within a few minutes, maybe an hour tops or something like that. That's what the difference is. And then there'll be copy trading. So you will also be able to set your account up to copy trade on our platform. Okay. So again, multiple ways you'll be able to earn while you learn. Okay. Now let's talk about another feature is market insights and analysis. Again, I told you guys we're going to have live classes. Sunday Night Live will involve weekly market analysis. This is going to help you guys stay ahead of the curve to kind of get an idea of what may happen throughout the week coming up. You're going to get a breakdown of market movements that have already taken place. And also we're going to give you some actionable insights. So things you can actually take action on right there. So this is very good, very helpful, because I didn't have that. I had to do it for myself and figure it out on my own, and then share it with my children and my family. And I see it was helpful for them. So why not share it with you guys? So whether you are a day trader, a swing trader, or long-term investor, our analysis caters to traders of all styles and experience levels. Trust me, whatever you learn, you can do on any level, whether it's on the weekly time chart or whether you want to do it on the minute. You want to be a scalper or you want to be a long-term investor. The strategies work and the setups will still going to be there. It just depends on how long you want to hold your trades. Okay. Now, we also are going to offer more than one trading mastery course. Right now, we just have one. We're starting with Forex. So you can take your skills to the next level by joining these mastery courses. They're designed to guide you through a comprehensive 12-week program. Decided to make it like 90 days, but 12 weeks is where we actually breaking it out to, covering everything from market structure analysis to personalized strategy development. So when you finish these courses, you can at least mastered a particular concept or strategy. That's the whole goal. You can always go back through the course again to, master another aspect of trading, right? So it's evergreen. It will be here for you guys. But what we're going to do on a weekly basis, and those of you who are registered for this level, you will be separate. So it's all going to be in a certain order. We have orientation first, and then we'll have another segment. And so the people that just orientation, they won't be involved in that segment. And then we'll have the final segment, which will be our mastery course. And all those people who aren't registered for the mastery course will be dismissed, I guess, from the classroom, and just those who are trading in the mastery course can join at that point. So we're going to do these on Sundays, these live classes. So you guys got me on Sundays, and some of you guys will also be able to look over my shoulder and trade with me during the week as well. So a lot of things are going to be involved in this trading mastery program where you can actually get the live trades. And again, depends on which membership level you choose. So let's talk a little bit more about the course. So the course is going to go over different topics. It's going to be broken up over 12 weeks, but basically you're going to get the introduction to trading basics. So again, we're going to explore the fundamentals of the financial markets. You're going to understand the dynamics of stock, forex, commodities, etc. Okay, you got to have the basics. A lot of times people skip the basics and then wonder why they struggle, in their trading life or journey. It's because they just jumped into, I just want to make money without getting the basics. And if you have a weak foundation or crack in your foundation, it's going to fall apart. So I really specialize in helping you guys have the basics. I love to help you guys seal those cracks and get strong and be so you can stand on your own 2 feet. And then I believe you can grow better that way. Then we want to talk about market structure and order flow analysis. You got to understand market structure. If you ignore market structure, it's to your detriment. Okay, so we're going to go through that. That's going to be broken out over the course of the 12 weeks. You're going to dive into you're going to understand the importance of order flow and making informed decisions and all of those things. Okay. Then we're going to talk about risk management. Okay. And we are going to help you develop a comprehensive risk management plan. So guys, again, being a part of the Trading Mastery course, you will actually be able to reach out and say, what do you think about this risk management plan? Of course, we won't advise you in that way. We'll just help you reach your goals and find out what your goals are, what your appetite is, and how much you're willing to risk, how much you're willing to lose, because that's basically what it is. And we'll help you put that together, understanding position sizes and leverage. That's very important, right? So all of this is pretty much to take you by the hand and help you do these things that we struggle with. A lot of us who didn't have this. Now, I didn't have anyone mentor me in this area because I was trading in a different way. Okay, so this is different. And so I wanted to provide this mentorship for you guys in these areas where I needed mentoring, and finally have figured it out by just seeking out my own mentors and weeding through. I've had over 10, 20,000, probably 20,000 hours on the charts and in studying day and night. So again, weeding through all of these things, myself, thankfully, have been a part of the prop firm challenges. I'm right now taking one. I passed the first challenge and now I just have to do the second one, which is easier. So I just want to share all that stuff with you guys and help you guys get there as well. So excited for you guys. Trading plan development. We're going to do technical and fundamental analysis integration. So you guys are going to learn how to combine technical analysis with fundamental factors. We're not going to do a lot of fundamentals, but I'm going to show you guys how to trade the news as far as like after the news, how to trade the reaction to the news, right? So you're going to be able to see reactions and you're going to be able to figure out how to get in there if you would like to. Analyze the correlation between economic events and price movements. So again, you'll kind of understand a lot of correlations, even between the pairs themselves or pairs and US dollar and gold and that kind of stuff as well. And then trading plan development. We're going to help you craft a personalized trading plan with defined goals and strategies. Yes, more than one strategy. That is the goal. Okay, so we're here to help you, not leave you out there just watching videos. We're actually here to help you with this. So this is why this course is different. It's more hands-on from my end, but I like that aha moment when a student finally gets it. And I just want to be a part of that for you guys. I have a certain goal to reach with helping a certain amount of students hit a certain financial level. And hopefully you guys will be around and stick around and be one of those students that hit those levels. But it's important it's about how well you can stick to your plan, to be honest with you. And trading will it'll teach you about yourself. So this is going to not just help you guys in just trading, it's going to help you in life. I don't care what business you decide to go after. When you get through with these trading courses and really looking into the world of trading and really going hard, it's going to change the way you do things. And that's a good thing, okay? Because it's unexpected and life is like that sometimes. So you'll be able to have a plan and you'll be able to plan. If you fail to plan, you're planning to fail. So we're going to do the opposite, right? We're going to be prepared for even if we lose, we already have a plan. And that's what I like about it. Strategy refinement and optimization. So we're going to review and optimize trading strategies based on historical performance. Okay, we're going to go back in time and back test. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And you're also going to learn how to refine your strategies. Okay. And number 7 is pretty much the whole point of all this. Why we exist, to be honest with you, is to help prepare you for your prop firm challenges. Oh my gosh, like I cannot wait to show you guys what you can really do with other people's money. But just imagine if you trade with $1,000, you risk $1,000, and let's say every day you just want to get twice your risk, which is very doable with our strategies. So if you risk $1,000 on one trade using somebody else's money, because we're going to show you how to get prop firm accounts, like $100,000 prop firm accounts. If you're risking 1% of that, that means you're risking $1,000 per trade. Is there something else? I'm sorry, guys. Siri just started talking. Shouldn't have had my watch on. I apologize for that. But let's say you risk $1,000, and then your prop firm you're working for a prop firm. You risk $1,000 on a trade, and then you make two times that risk. That means you make $2,000 on a trade. So that's so doable. You can do that one trade. If you do two trades a week, which is very doable with what we have, you will make $4,000 a week. I'm telling you guys, just one trade a week, one trade. I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to demonstrate that at the end of this lesson, not this particular recording, but in the end of our orientation. I'm going to demonstrate that so you guys can see how realistic that is. But that's what we want to do. We're going to discuss the requirements and expectations of the prop firm challenges, and we're going to simulate trading challenges to apply learned concepts. So you're going to have it in a practical setting so that the practice, the applications that you do, or the back testing will build confidence, and you'll be mechanical and you'll just do the same thing. And I'm going to show you guys the strategy that I see everywhere. Everyone has used this same strategy, and now I'm using to pass the prop firm challenges. So, and you guys will also be able to see my back office. I'm going to go inside and show you where I am right now and how I've traded. So I'm going to show you real life. So it's going to be transparent. I'm going to be transparent here so that you can see how I'm going through these processes so that you can prepare yourself better, right? So these key topics form the backbone of our 90-day trading mastery course, providing a comprehensive and hands-on learning experience for all participants, okay? So let's keep moving. So the next thing that we have is we want to have this community connection where we connect a vibrant community of traders, share experiences, and participate in discussions that range from market trends to trading psychology, which is huge. That's going to be a big part of what you're learning as well, because trading is not just a skill, it's a community. And we're here to foster a supportive environment for your journey. Trading can be very lonely, but again, when we're trading together, we're looking at these things together, when we're discussing it together, we have all these eyes on it. People see different things. People see different pairs. People are aware of different aspects, right? And together we can be more well-informed traders. And that's what we want. We want to be informed traders, okay? So if you have not signed up for one of the membership plans, definitely join. And if you are and you want to actually get more involved and have access to some of these other tools, hit the upgrade button to unlock the world of easy peasy trading. Remember, 7-day free trial, so you get to try it anyway. And as soon as this first class is done, we will start unlocking different features so that you guys can test out different things, okay? So whether you're here for educational insights, market analysis, or the mastery courses, you're taking a step toward making trading easy peasy. So let's make trading easy peasy together. Okay. So the next step for you guys is to go back to the Patreon classroom. I call it classroom. It's a membership, but I'm going to call it classroom. We actually going to have you guys who are in the mastery course. You're going to be utilizing the Google Classroom right now. So you guys will sign up, and then you'll get a link to the Google Classroom. That's where you'll get access to the tutorials, the videos, the articles, and stuff like that, and your special link for your live class. And then there's going to be some other things. I'm going to give you some other tools you guys are going to get access to as well, all of you guys. So definitely check out your Patreon regularly to see the updates and things that are being posted. Trading is a regular activity. Even if you're monitoring your trades throughout the week or days, whatever, make sure you come back to the chart often. Your next thing, though, is to look at the Forex Basics presentation. Now that's for everybody. It's open to everybody. You do not have to have a paid membership to access this. This is the foundation for all of the Forex courses. So I'm giving it to you guys for free. I want you guys to watch it. That'll be your homework for this week for you guys who are brand new to trading and who are just going to do the weekly, just the live one time, coming back, the basic levels. You just have basically one assignment to do the Forex basics. For the rest of you guys, you're going to need to hang around, because then we need to make sure that you get set up so that you can go ahead and start practicing and demoing maybe this week, entering trades and following out the indicator that you guys have access to. So we're going to go over that a little bit more in detail. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you for your time. And I will see you guys hopefully in the classroom. Bye now.